Okay, take the field.
Hey, so are we just staying on this side? Is that what's going on?
Pretty much, yeah.
Hell yeah.
We just need to have a.
Go ball dip.
That's right.
I need Joey to not let him pop out so let's go with crazy things.
Him and Van, our 3 and 4 holes came up with. There was a like, sure, you know that, but sometimes when you've been playing all day,
How y'all feeling? Like 8 games
right.
deep?
And so you've been like, you left them, eat some time off, because we're in a position to like kind of right?
Hands up, guys. Here we go.
So it was like take a pitch, get a hit,
All in. Keep up.
Joey, get behind the fence. Catch it behind there.
Wow, that's the easiest thing up here. Hey!
One.
I bet you can.
Short.
Well,
Two
yeah,
up.
like that. Hey. Take it solo.
Yeah. I mean, y'all collectively are more toasted, but he's
Collectively,
yeah, he's toasted.
should I hit it over here?
Come on. Come on. Two up. Lower him. 2 up.
Easy, Luke, easy, Luke, easy, Luke. Ball cut, ball cut.
Hey,
Nah, I want to cross.
Jojo, I thought I went to go grab it, but my daughter stepped on it. I mean, I didn't do maybe.
I got you.
What? Like, 2 up. Hey, 2-2.
Boy, Mouse.
Get up.
And a boy, Mouse. Way to check him.
You're right tonight. Pink glove, pink
Dude,
shirt.
they can't miss me. You know, if you throw it off target, you're shit.
No excuse, huh?
No glove or fucking shirt.
Short. 2 up. Coming over. 3 up. Blake.
Or roll over, it's whatever. Actually, it may be, but it's
Get up. All in. 2 up.
It's a good pitch, Mouse.
Still in. 3 up. Blake. Back in.
Hey, 2 down. They didn't step on the plate.
Yeah, I slid across it.
You don't slide,
So
remember?
fast.
You don't
So
slide.
fast.
Next time I'll fall over.
Yeah. A belly flop.
Right here, Bubba.
Get out. Little heavy. Put it up. 2 up. Hey. 2-2.
Good. Way to hang in there, Mousey.
Wait. Hey. Oh, shit. Hey. I'm done. You good? Hands up, guys. Here we go.
This guy back here.
Go lead off.
You're like, I'm the quietest guy in the world back here.
One down. Come on. Hey. 1, 2.
Go, Joey.
Shoot out.
Nice. Hey,
Ball, Joey.
Where was that when bases were loaded last game?
Not there, that's why they lost.
yeah, I know. Yeah, for sure.
I can't say shit like that.
No, you can't because you won.
Hey, but yours wasn't a game-changing strikeout.
Thank God. We watched it, Trevor, and I was like, that was
No, dude, I was standing there. It was 6 inches up from the back line, right down the middle.
I was so close.
That's about as good as it gets.
It was a little bit high, but like,
Attaboy, man! There you go! Good through. Ball in!
Where was that also last game?
Yeah.
You ran, Joey. Right, that's the last one.
Hey, why? Crowded over there.
Hey, who got tagged out at second?
I was safe this out. I was reversed. I should have been out the second time and saved the
come
third
on,
time.
play, go in.
We know.
I was a barrel.
He met me like 10 times.
Rid of it.
Off the base. It's off.
He kept it going.
He's making that shortstop look real good right now. Both of those plays are disgusting. Damn.
There you go.
Matt, you have fun in Colorado?
That was a blast, dude. We got to swing at 44 towards with no help.
I think we have two.
That was great. You can breathe on the ball and go 500.
I know I was watching some of the games.
Did you get R2? Red. Thank you.
I got it on here.
Oh, okay. I was wondering, I was like, he's looking at his sheet like he
Hey,
knows.
Charlie.
That's backup. I don't know. That's like last minute. So I got her. The only thing that matters is this right here.
Johnny can't come in lifetime bad, so you can
My man, bro, what's up, dude?
Getting his swings under balls and he does out.
Hands up, go. Hey, outside corner. 1, 2. Good ball, kid.
Mike, you didn't tell me that, bro. You didn't let me know about that.
Up.
That's just the first thing.
But. Up. up, Bravo, out of play, ball in. One, two.
Hey, nice play, Gunner.
Good play, John.
Mike, bro, you're not supposed to get there, dude. The fuck?
Hey, great trick, Gunner.
Go. No, we're down. One.
Not after this day.
No. Turn it up. 2-1.
Yeah, like I said.
3-1. Hey! Last pitch. Went over by a little bit.
What? Us playing softball? Us playing softball?
What?
Yeah, what?
God, jeez, bro. I'm gonna bring my phone next time. Come on. This goes over all the
Well, this is our nice
Short. 2-1.
We lost our first game. Yeah, this is not.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, check in, Cam. Lead off, baby. Lead off. When he hits it on a line, dude. Hey, lead off. Let's go, baby.
You guys in row.
I think at that point they just they were out. There was one time.
Catchy. Go up.
On the hands, dude. I got 10.
Y'all got a lot of time left to figure this out. So like, let's figure it out.
Two down.
Hey, can't run. Hey, can we get runner? Can we get a runner on first?
Hey, yeah. Hey, you go out there and run.
Yeah, run.
Two down. Hey, go get it. Guys, here we go. Short. 2-1. Get short. 3-1. Hey. Last pitch. What? Never had that outlet. Come on.
He didn't go where I wanted.
Yeah, that was bad all over. Can I get a read? Like a golf, like mulligans?
Yeah, that's right, dude. In these days, it's probably
Sit back, let it drop. Sit back, let it drop.
do that. Hey! 1, 2.
That boy.
Hey, you gotta get out there, bro. Hey, show me your hair. Show Landry your hair.
Hey, Benson's out there.
Is that Pedro? Nah, hey, he went from the best hair in the family to the worst. Best backflip I've ever seen.
Hey, we'll let Benson do what you want.
Hey, you're still faster than Pedro. You don't got the hair.
I got a shaver.
Oh,
Sit back and hard.
Do that. Hey! 1, 2.
Boy.
one across.
Two down. All out. 2-1. Hey. 2-2. Come on, man out. 3. Hey, but I knew soon how that single play.
What, dog?
Scramble?
I'll go play.
It's mine. I've had both days.
Go.
Sister, she gave me her shirt. She's trying to rep her.
Come on. On it. 2-1. Karen hit. 3-1. Didn't drop. Two. Time, look out.
Go, Cody.
Oh, so that's how I'm playing.
Come on.
He got no arm.
Bravo. Yeah, I'm good.
Come on.
Is Mason has
Hey! Cut hold, cut hold. Hey!
I don't know where you thought you were going to hit that ball unless you're trying to.
Shoot up. Come up. Cross the hip. 3-1. Right. Yeah, all right, come on. Shoot up. Two guys, you got one left. Yeah, it's got 3.
I've gotten to that point. Definitely nothing like that. I'll drink it. I'm only at 7. He knows more than anyone.
Guys, here we go. Got one left, guys. Both teams hit 2. But
Hey, base hit, Bubba, let's go.
What? No hit. 2-1.
Base runner on second literally just stood in front of the ball and it hit me right in the fucking gut.
Shoot up. Up. Everyone got their cup in?
Yeah, just not him.
Ball out. 2-1.
Yeah. Jesus.
3 guys. Get up. Side of the plate. 2 up. In. 3 up. Hey. Last pitch.
I'll strike on it. If you think I'm kidding, ask him.
Hey, this ain't Friday Night League. You want to go home.
Get up. Heavy. Going it up. 2 up.
At least in 4 years. So you get that GI deal.
Plate. 2 up.
Go move!
It's 11:50 right now. I don't know why it stopped.
Get one! Got him, that boy! No, he's on the bag. Hey. Keep it down, buddy.
What?
Boys, 2!
Huh? I heard people saying it.
What? Hey! 1, 2. Bring it out. 2, 2.
You're supposed to be silent, bro. Oh, you got me! Trouble. That ball's down. Yeah.
1. Done, get up. Put him on. Put him on. Get up. Ed, coming up. 2-1.
And maybe not in.
2-2.
Hey, good hit, Bernie.
No, one across. Get up. Get up. Go ahead. 2-1. Go back here. Coming up. 3-1. Guys, back, please. Get up. Go. Get up. That's pretty good.
The rest were fucking gap shots.
Well, they could get better.
There could have been that, and he would have scored like 4-2.
Got it.
You all right, Garrett? I know. Look on the outside of that. No bad.
Y'all hit him like 4 times.
He falls off like
it's just like the football has time is just a verbal meaning. I'll let you know when I'm ready. And so you can.
He told me.
This is just shaking my banana.
Like, come on. Like, 3-1. Ball inside. Go, nobody. Hey. 1-2. Are you kidding?
I saw John in for Mike.
Subway.
Do that.
Or whatever.
No, heavy.
I went to work and now it's I played 6 swing foul.
Hey, I was messing with Dawson. You?
Take a shit, boys.
Respect it. You don't want to know. I got cold. I had to make a fire. Hey, which side are you on?